Good evening, everyone. This is Matt with Storm Central on the latest audio and video forecast and weather briefing on the severe weather forecast to occur and occurring in the America's heartland areas. We are live from, well, we are live now, but we are live from Storm Central's website, brand new thanks to Jason Scott out of Hurricane Talk, and they talk about severe weather, Hurricane Talk, and you get to discuss with other folks as well as learn about forecasting severe weather and tracking of severe storms from the people like us who chase and track them. As you can see, there's lots of stuff on this. We are finally getting together, including all the watches and warnings to the left. Tornado discussions. We have tropical outlooks also. Thanks to Jason Scott here once again. Monthly tropical reports, tropical outlooks, and then in the main column we have a live radar feed. We have brand new posting here on the timing of the severe storms here. Also under the live weather loop just posted as of 9:15. We have severe weather watches and warnings. These are live feeded by the Storm Prediction Center and NOAA's National Weather Radar also on these storms out of these areas. And once we go down, we will also be posting on Storm Prediction Center's Tornado Outlook and on the tornado outbreak. I will also be posting Dr. Greg Forbes' outlook, as long as my outlook for tonight into tomorrow once I do them around 1 o'clock in the morning. Why do I do it at 1 o'clock in the morning? Because that is when Storm Prediction Center updates anything that needs to be changed. Alright, I'd like to thank Jason Scott once again for all this that he has done here. I would give him a permanent job if he asked right away, because as you guys see, he's done a great job. Alright, we're going to move right on to Storm Prediction Center. Today is June 20th, 2011. It's approximately 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. We're going to start off with all the reports coming in here, because we had a lot of tornado reports, 39 tornado reports as of 9:50. Today, 105 wind reports, hail reports 126, total reports 270. We still have a long night to go. As you saw with the radar on the website, we have a comma-shaped line stretching from South Dakota all the way down to Texas, by Dallas, Texas. Northwest of the city had a tornado warning earlier, as long as multiple severe thunderstorm warnings in Oklahoma City, portions of Omaha, Nebraska area. This will stretch into the Des Moines, Chicago area, into Joplin. I hate to say it. Looks like mostly a wind damage and hail thing over there by them. But we cannot rule out some tornadoes as they've been popping up due to all these storms here. Alright, now we're going to go back to see if there's any mesoscale discussions, as there is here. And we're looking at a damaging wind isolated tornado threat for portions of Iowa, southwestern Minnesota, and southwestern portions of South Dakota here. This is a meso discussion. You can look it up on stormpredictioncenter.com for the whole view here on the whole outlook. I will read something real quick here. Farther south, thunderstorm development has occurred along the stationary frontal axis just east of Bowling segment that recently passed along into the North Omaha metro area with a measured severe wind gust, with a very unstable air mass lying south of frontal boundary and enlarging low-level hadrographs, evident in Des Moines data. Greatest relative damaging wind tornado risk should evolve across portions of I-80 to US 20. That's in Iowa here. Alright, we're going to go to the current watches here, because we do still have a couple of PDS, particularly dangerous situation watches, which we will start off with here. Oh no, excuse me. This is tornado watch number 527. This is still a little cluster and comma shaped here. We're looking at tornadoes moderate, but EF2 are low in this area, and this is till 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Let's cut back on the watch a bit here. Looking at a larger tornado watch, 526, also 2 a.m. also, tornadoes are high, EF2 tornadoes plus are moderate in this area. We're also looking at, another severe thunderstorm watch just in effect here. I'll get to that in a second. Tornado watch number 528, tornadoes moderate, EF2 tornadoes Also modern. This includes the city of Joplin, but I don't see. This looks more like a bowing out wind damage threat and hail rather than a tornado. You can still get some spin-ups in the dog legs, they call them, where one area sticks out in the area, and right on the corner you get a little dog leg that forms, and you can get a brief spin-up of tornado. But as we've lost the heating of the day and the connective energy here, I do not see that many tornadoes or a tornado outbreak going on into tonight for these areas here with that watch. Alright, we're going to go to the particularly dangerous situation watch number 525. This is out to 11 p.m., so got another hour or so on it. This includes just areas west of Dallas with that cluster above Dallas, north and west of Dallas. We're looking at tornadoes low and EF2 tornadoes very low. Severe wind and hail is very high. I'm going to go to the next tornado watch if we can get it up. Can we get it up? Alright, let's see what's going on. Do we have another watch box issue? It's showing another. There we go. No. They're not showing it, but Arkansas counties are now included. Benton, Franklin, Washington, Carroll, Madison, Crawford, and Sebastian counties. Kansas counties included are Bourbon, Cherokee, Crawford counties. Missouri counties, there's a whole list. Find your county here, and that does include Jasper County, Missouri here. Morgan, St. Clair, Vernon, portion just south of Joplin, Oklahoma counties also include Texas counties as well. The picture's not coming up on the radar right now as it was just issued. Alright, we're going to go to the connective outlooks for the next tonight and to tomorrow morning. We're looking at the moderate risk in that comma shape. South Dakota, Iowa, portions of Missouri, portions of Nebraska and Kansas, and into Oklahoma. Tornado risk is 10. I think that will be slowly decreasing. That will stay confined to that area in that black circle. Wind damage is 45% in that area, and hail is 30% in that area. Looking at the cities and towns being affected tonight, Lincoln, Omaha, they swept through a couple hours ago. Then we'll be heading on to Des Moines, which they will be hit in the next few hours. This will suddenly start swinging into this area here, which St. Louis will be hit by the daybreak in the mornings, as long as Quincy and Chicago and Peoria. Likely, probably into Illinois. Non-severe, hopefully. Their day will be tomorrow. Looking at the outlook, there will likely be a moderate risk issue for this area right here. This probably including or just west of Chicago. This will be our moderate risk, I believe, which will be in place 1 a.m. this morning. Hopefully Storm Prediction Center will see it my way here. But as it's looking right now, we're looking at an isolated chance for tornadoes likely in that area, like I stated, or just west of the Chicago area, where I put that pencil here. We're looking at Chicago, Peoria, Hannibal areas, and the probabilistic 30% that will probably be upgraded to a moderate risk. Quick look at the 3 outlook. Chicago, you'll be clean. Ignore that 15% area. That will be well east of you. Into Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania areas look to be the biggest hit on Wednesday. Alright, I believe that concludes. We're going to go back to the radar real quick just to make sure everything's good. Looking at the live feed, we're still looking at that radar coming on through. Storms are charging east-northeast here. We're going to go to the timing. We're looking at Des Moines, Iowa. Pretty soon, around midnight areas, maybe 1 o'clock a.m. Joplin, Missouri, 10 to 11, very soon. Kansas City, 10 p.m., very soon. Fort Smith, Arkansas, 10:30 to 11:30. Dallas, Texas, 10 to 11. St. Louis, Missouri, 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. around daybreak. Likely non-severe in Illinois. Chicago, 6 a.m. to 7. Maybe 8 o'clock. Now it's looking at in Quincy, 4 to 5 a.m. If you need a city forecast, please let me know. I'll be glad to do it for you. Alright, please check out our website as there is a lot of information thanks to Jason here. Stay tuned to Storm Central. If you have any questions, please post them on my wall. I'll be glad to help you. We'll probably touch on Beatriz She's, as I last checked, tropical storm, 7 miles per hour. I don't think they've upgraded it yet. I could be wrong, so please let me know. Thanks for everyone for watching. Stay tuned to our website and Storm Central for the latest on any forecast changes.